I mean, number one, you guys are welcome for me not singing because that would have immediately turned this damn thing off. But hello, hello. Dr. Hill here. It is the most wonderful time of the year. As you can tell, I am wearing a badass Christmas sweater with a llama that has a scarf. Not sure if you can see the scarf, but it's a badass sweater, needless to say. I'm wearing green pants as well. We're going straight festive, and I'm also looking pale as hell, so you can tell it's Christmas time, baby. The best time of the year. Most importantly, it's all about spending time with family and all that kind of stuff. But we're going to have some fun today with it. And as you can tell, I don't know why. I got to think for medium sweaters and t-shirts during the holidays, as you've seen the Halloween one. If not, go back and look at it. Didn't do one over Thanksgiving, mostly because I ate way too much, drank way too much, and nothing probably fit at that time. But now I'm back in my medium llama sweater with a scarf. Yes, I know you're jealous. But here's what we're doing today, guys. Christmas memes. Put them together. Christmas dental memes. All right. We are going to do some Christmas dental memes. As you guys know, I have never seen any of these. I have no idea what the hell we're about to look at. But we're going to look at them together. And again, I know, yes, we're not even focused on the memes. We're still focused on the sweater. I get it. I feel the same way. But let's take a peek at some memes together. We'll go through it, get some reactions of it, and see what we can do. Wow, that teeth whitener really... I mean, dude, how do you not like cheesy stuff like this, right? Obviously, the snowman. One guy's got the black teeth, the other guy the teeth whitened, right? So it kind of blends in perfectly. You can't even tell what's going on with them. But it's just some two bros hanging out, talking about teeth whitening in the cold. Nothing wrong with it. So what have you done this Christmas? Whatever that says. That's nice, right? The most... I get patients that bring this up all the time. Why do you ask me questions when I have all this stuff in my mouth? And I will tell you, most of the time we don't, but sometimes we do. And the funny thing about it is, anybody that's been in dental for a little bit of time, I know this is weird, but we kind of say that we speak dental. What do I mean by that? I mean that we kind of understand you when you can't really speak fully what you're trying to say. And it's a weird kind of concept, but I do have patients that always ask me, you're not going to talk to me when you're in my mouth, right? You're not going to do this and stuff because this is what happens. Yeah, we get it. We understand it. But, we still want to hear about your Christmas, even if it's not something we can actually tell what you're saying. I was trying to floss Frosty's teeth and damn, decapitated Frosty. That's messed up. A little dark humor in there, but I kind of like it. That's good. Hey, at least the kid's trying to floss something, right? I doubt he flossed his own teeth, but he wanted to make sure Frosty was feeling good, which I appreciate and I respect. So that's kind of awesome. God, memes. It's amazing how many memes are out there, right? Like, it's a ton of memes. And Christmas and dental, who would ever thought that? We did. Obviously, we're filming it, but who would have thought it to actually make these? I don't want to make toys. I want to be a dentist. That'd be the first time I've ever heard that. I don't know many people that come up to me. They're like, man, you know what I want to do? I want to be a dentist. Doesn't happen very often. There's a rare case, but doesn't happen very often. But just from experience, I would probably say making toys is kind of fun. A little bit more fun. It has a little bit more of a jolly feel than probably a dentist does quite often. But hey, more respect given to them. Trying to be a dentist, I like it. Again, who comes up with all these memes? Like, who's thinking of these? Do hot foods buy... I'm only laughing because this is a question that always gets asked when patients come in with pain, okay? Mostly when it's possible that patients might need root canals, the dreaded root canal and things like that. And this is one question that I always ask. Always ask. Now, clearly, I'm assuming this is Frosty again. We'll go with that, the snowman. Is getting asked that for a different reason. Mostly because, obviously he'd probably melt if he ate hot foods, right? But it is a super dental thing to do. Always ask that question probably multiple times a day. So that's why I was kind of laughing. But this is still pretty good. Last Christmas, I gave you my paw. Well, I'm assuming I'm supposed to be singing this, which I'm going to save you guys the pain and pleasure of that. I gave you my paw, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll just go with it. All right, so I mean... Number one, You guys are welcome for me not singing because that would have immediately turned this damn thing off. But basically what's going on here, root canal, that's what he's talking about, giving the pulp, and then going for the implant. Tooth failed, taking it out, which is quite common. But for somebody to come up with dental lyrics to a song like this is pretty damn good. I like that. Hello, I'm checking my naughty and nice list, and I was wondering if you could tell me who has been brushing and flossing this year. Once again, I think my biggest surprise factor in this right now is that there's more than like 2 dental Christmas memes. I feel like some people just got a lot of times and they're just kind of making stuff up as they go, but this is pretty good. And basically she's, first of all, the other one, I don't know if that's I'm assuming that's the dentist or maybe that's I don't know who that is, whatever. But Santa and him or her, I guess, are kind of figuring it out, the naughty and nice list. I'm assuming based off of my experience this year that more people are on the naughty list because it probably seems that COVID kind of took over and dental and oral hygiene kind of got pushed to the wayside a little bit, which is fine. But we're going to all get through it together. Santa's a little porky in that one, though, you know. He might have hit the quarantine 15, quarantine 20. He might have really got after it a little bit. But he needs to get on that. But as you can tell, so did I from the Schmedium sweater. So we get it. I can't believe there was that many memes. Like, that's fantastic. I love that. And the fact that we're doing Christmas and we're doing holiday setup and we're doing all that kind of stuff. I hope that your holidays are great. I know mine will be great. I'll be spending it with my parents like I always do, so I'm super excited about that. We usually have a good time. Obviously won't be seeing as much family as I normally do, but you know what? Sometimes you got to make sacrifices for the greater good. So hopefully we can get over this all together. But happy holidays, Merry Christmas, any type of holiday you celebrate. I hope it's fantastic. I appreciate you guys. Dental memes are always my favorite. And again, I'm shocked they had this many Christmas memes or winter memes, whatever you want to call it. But this is great. I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, have a fantastic holiday season. And looks like I will be seeing you in 2021. Fingers crossed. We are in much better shape than 2021. Appreciate y'all.